The One-Arm Freedom Canoe Paddle is designed to allow persons with upper limb impairments to paddle effectively in recreational or performance canoeing. There are two components to this paddle. There's a shoulder saddle and there's a canoe paddle. And it's flexible, allowing it to fit the shoulders of many different users. We have straps that feed through quick release buckles, and we have a shock cord loop. That shock cord loop is what allows you to join the shoulder saddle with the paddle. We join the saddle with the paddle by inserting the end cap through the shock cord loop. The next feature is the top shaft, which is extensible, and a lock mechanism. This lock mechanism allows me to lengthen the shaft for the length of the arm of the user. Next, we have a vertical shaft with a lock mechanism. This allows me to lengthen the shaft for the torso length of the user or for the seat height of the canoe. I can also change the pitch on the blade for right hand or left hand use. The saddle of the One-Arm Freedom will be worn on the strong side of your body. I find it's easiest for me to thread the straps through the buckles first and then put the shoulder saddle over my shoulder. Now I'll tighten the straps. At the end of the long day of paddling, it's easy to remove the shoulder saddle and the paddle. All we need to do is grab the ends of the shoulder straps, pull straight forward away from your body, and your paddle will fall away from your body.